Viewers, today we are going to discuss final trigonometric ratios of specific angles about 0 and 90 degree. Okay, already previous classes we completed 45, 30, 60 successfully. Now today last specific angles I am going to explain in my class. Let us come and see. Here trigonometric ratios of 0 and 30. First let us consider right angle triangle. Let us consider a right angle triangle A, B, C, right angle A to B, here theta at A. Let us consider a right angle triangle ABC, right angle A to B, right angle A to B, right angle A to B, and acute angle at A equals to theta. Here you have to observe the diagram very carefully in these specific angles. Very important concept. For suppose if angle A is smaller and smaller, angle A, this is acute angle, below 90 degree angles are called acute angles only. The angle A is smaller, it goes to smaller. The point C, this point C moves nearest, closer to point B. Remember, once again I am telling, a right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B, and acute angle at A. This acute angle is smaller, and it going to, that angle must be going to smaller, as well as this point. Here, you see, this here acute angle will be there. It is going to smaller, like this coming. No, this angle. So here this point, nothing but here these two. These two, you see. Here angle C, angle B must be coincide. Means this angle C moves to nearest to point B. Then angle C and angle B both are equal. Means the length of BC becomes to 0. Length of BC becomes to 0. When it becomes to 0, the point C, point B, this point C moves towards the point B. The length of BC becomes to 0. It is decreasing, becomes to 0. Then angle A is equals to 0. Here immediately, and the length of AC equals to length of AB. Length of AC equals to AB. I want to tell you one important. Two rays are forms an angle. One is initial side, one is terminal side. Here initial side and terminal side. Here this is a hypotenuse. This is the adjacent side. By the definition of trigonometric ratio, these two are coincide to each other, becomes to one side. It becomes to one side. Means AC equals to AB. When the two sides are coincide each other, length of BC is not there here, so becomes 0. When it is, if theta equals to 0, when theta equals to 0, angle BC equals to 0, and AC equals to AB. This is C, this is B. This point moves nearest to the point B. The length of BC decreasing totally becomes to 0 when angle A equals to also 0. And these two sides are equal. Which sides? Hypotenuse, adjacent side. These two are coincide to each other. So length of AC equals to length of AB. Then we should find sin 0, cos 0, tan 0 very easily. See. Right. Sin 0, opposite side by hypotenuse from the diagram. What is the opposite side? Perpendicular side of theta, BC. Hypotenuse is AC. As for the question, BC value becomes 0 by AC. 0 by something, 0. So sin 0 degree equals to 0 only. Next, cos 0. Adjacent side by hypotenuse with respect to the diagram, adjacent side is AB. hypotenuse is AC. As you know very well, AB should write AC, nothing but AB, because initial and terminal side both are coincide each other when the two sides are equal. So in the place of AC, I am going to substitute AB. So AB get cancelled. I should get 1. So cos 0 equals to 1. Next tan 0. Tan 0 means opposite side by adjacent side. With respect to the diagram, opposite side is BC. Adjacent side is AB. Already I told you when the theta equals 0, BC becomes to 0. So BC 0 by AB. 0 by something. 0. So sin 0, 0. Cos 0, 0. Tan 0, 0. We know one idea for that. Tan theta is nothing but sin by cos. 0 by 1. Also 0. Yes, we got it, correct answer. Now, sin reciprocal. Sin theta reciprocal. Cosec theta. Cos theta reciprocal. Sec theta. Tan theta reciprocal. Cot theta. Right? 0 reciprocal 1 by 0. 1 reciprocal 1 by 1. Tan reciprocal also 1 by 0. 1 by 0 for the basic mathematical concept. 1 by 0 infinity. In words undefined. Sec theta 1 by 1. 1 only. Cot theta 1 by 0. It is also becomes to infinity. The symbol called as infinity. We should write undefined terms. We should say undefined also. So sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is infinity, cosec 0 is infinity, cos 0 is 1, sec 0 degree is 1, tan 0 is 0, but reciprocal of tan theta cot 0 is infinity. You have to observe this diagram. By this concept, I solve this all the values sin 0, cos 0, tan 0. We are going to find specific angle of 90 degree. Let us consider right angle triangle ABC, right angle ATB, and theta is equitangle. Here one evident is there in right angle triangle in consideration. That evident is that in previous 0 degree A is smaller, right? A is smaller, this point towards to the point B becomes to 0. Now here A is larger. Now like this equitangle going to larger, moves right like this. A comes like this. So means A comes like this. Yeah, A is larger. This point towards to the point A. This point towards the point A. A is larger, and it is increasing. This point towards moves close to the point B, means it becomes to BA length equals to 0. BA length equals to 0. Now A becomes to 90 degree. Length of BA equals to 0. When it is A moves larger, this point moves towards to the point A, length of AB equals to 0. The angle A becomes to 90 degree. And one more important thing is that this BC length equals to AB. BC length equals to AC. BC length equals to AC. One point moves the point to this point. So like this. One point, one side only. So adjacent side not there here. So then nothing but AB becomes to 0. Or AB or BA becomes to 0. This is coincide with these two are here. Sin 90 equals to 1, cos 90 equals 0, tan 90. Tan 90 equals to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side with respect to the diagram is BC. Adjacent side is AB. BC value, we have to write BC as it is. Now AB value from the concept we should get 0. Something by 0, we know very well infinity. Also called as undefined. Tan 90 undefined. Tan 90 undefined. Sin 90 1, cos 90 0, tan 90 infinity. So children, sine reciprocal cosec 90, one reciprocal 1 by 1 is equals to 1. Okay, so now cos reciprocal is sec 90. Here 1 by 0 becomes to infinity. Sin 90 is 1. Cosec theta is sine reciprocal of cosec theta. Now cosec 90 equals reciprocal of sine value. 1 by 1 equals to 1. Cosec 90 reciprocal of cosec theta is sec theta. So now means 1 by 0 is nothing but infinity. Now tan reciprocal is cot theta. Now value of cot theta is 1 by infinity. Means infinity is nothing but 1 by 0. Infinity is nothing but 1 by 0. It becomes 1 into 0 by 1. Nothing but 0. Cot 90 is 0. Very important. Tan 90 is infinity. Infinity can be written as 1 by infinity, nothing but 1 by 0. Infinity is nothing but 1 by 0. Infinity is nothing but 1 by 0. So in the place of infinity I substitute 1 by 0. Infinity is nothing but 1 by 0. In the place of infinity I substitute 1 by 0. Now numerator as is right, the denominator will be reciprocal 0.